Ochako wuok oko ka Ramogi ne ndikore kaka jogo ombulu e apise mag IEBC bade ma Juja. Mary Ndung'u ma ochung'ne yiero kata returning officer kod jalupne oyango medruok mar kwan jogo mandikore ka jopuonjre mag JKUAT gin moko kuom mago ma osejiwo kwan noero ka jaod bura ma Juja George Kiomburi bende osiro Rawere mondo mi ondikre ka bende omedo jiwo sirikal mondo chiw opande ne jopiny ma onge kipande.
Remember, we started the exercise on 29th. That week, ilikuwa a bit slow, but by Friday of the first week, numbers ikawa mingi. So by today, by now, we have now registered 662. We have very many people turning up to register as voters, and this is mainly because we have JKUAT, which is just our next door neighbor, together with the fact that Juja is cosmopolitan. So we are registering very many people, both for the constituency and also for other constituencies.
Nimekuja leo kuchukua my voters card for the first time. The service has been a bit slow, yeah, but I'm happy I've gotten the card today and I can vote in 2027.
Tukiamua tukuja hapa wote and the building is so small, tutashare hata.